Today I'm making Koochie cream. I'm going to show you all the ingredients and how to make it. And this is for all those ladies who struggle with yeast infections and vaginal issues and all the damp heat from the summer. So this is a great little remedy. You can just insert this thing vaginally overnight with a little towel on your bed. And I'm going to show you all the little things I use to make it. So here we start with this. Is something I got at IKEA. It's an ice cube tray, but it happens to be the perfect shape for the vagina. So this fits right in the freezer, and you just put this in. You put it in frozen. So we have camphor oil, essential oils. I have tea tree oil. I have peppermint oil. I have neem oil and grapefruit seed extract. I just warmed up this organic coconut oil virgin. I warmed it up in some warm water in a pot so that it could be liquid. You want this to be the base. It needs to be liquefied because you know coconut oil gets hard when it gets cold. And then I use this CBD pain relief formula. I love this company, CBD Clinic. You can buy it online. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna just start with putting the coconut oil as the base, and it's been liquefied as I said, and this is really cooling, and it has really great medicinal properties such as lauric acid, which proliferates the friendly bacteria in the vagina. I'm going to put in some of this CBD oil. It's not much here. I usually like to put a little bit more than what I have, but I'm going to make do with a few tablespoons. Well, actually, this might just be one big tablespoon. Ends up to be about that much. And that CBD actually would go to the root of the issue and remove the inflammation. And it actually does heal. It's not just analgesic, it actually goes into the tissue and heals. There's some other wonderful ingredients in this product that peppermint oil, tea tree, eucalyptus, clove, but the CBD hemp oil is the main ingredient. Okay, now I'm gonna just turn this on low a little bit because it's not liquefying as well as it should. And I am going to start with grapefruit seed extract. I never measure, so you're all just gonna have to kind of deal with these guesswork kind of thing that I do. I don't know how many drops this is, probably about 30 drops, maybe 20 to 30 drops. I'm going to put some neem oil in. I might just do, oh no, it's frozen. It got liquefied. So what I might do is just heat it up in some hot water. And now it's heating in some hot water. Let's put some tea tree oil. I'll probably put about 30 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, actually, this is coming out in droves, so I can't even count. But I'm going to put a lot of tea tree oil in. It's so good for removing bacteria. Camphor oil is another great antibacterial, antifungal. So is tea tree. Let's put in, I think I've got about 15 to 20 drops of this. I got to order some more. Yeah, this is probably 25 drops. And this is peppermint oil. Let me shut this hot water off. Peppermint oil is also antifungal, antibacterial, and analgesic, and it just makes everything smell better. And it has a cooling property to it, so it helps to cool down the inflammation. Now, I'm going to use that neem oil. I have just a little bit left and it just liquefied. So let's add some of that neem. This might be, I'd say, a teaspoon of neem in total. And that's pure neem oil. And this is what it looks like. So that's about how much. I'm going to just turn the heat up a little bit. You don't want to turn the heat up too much because then you destroy the properties of the essential oils. The essential oils can die from the heat. So what I'm trying to do is just get it to all liquefy and melt in together quickly without just at the edge of being warm but not hot. All right, I think we're at that point where you can. I don't want to stick my finger in there because you really need everything to be sterile. And now that I got the CBD off the spoon, I'm going to take my favorite little kitchen tool and liquefy it a little faster. Now everything is blended properly. And now I can pour this little concoction into my ice tray. So let's do that, but I have to actually get my spout because you need a little spout to get it to be just accurate. You don't want it to be a mess while you're pouring it. Okay, this is going to be really good and powerful. This will heal all kinds of issues with the cervix, helps to heal with HPV, any kind of reproductive issue. I'm probably making a little mess here, but it's okay. Let me just put it in the freezer and we're good. I should probably freeze in about 2 hours, and then tonight it will be ready to be inserted, and that's how you make Koochie cream. Thanks for watching. Bye.